Oh, hello there. I'm Josip, head of the solutions team in Memgraph. So, before I tell you more about the role we're looking for, let me tell you something about Memgraph. Memgraph is a platform for graph computations on streaming data. Well, what is that? Let me explain. Memgraph allows you to utilize power of graphs in real time in order to create solutions for your personal and business use. Well, Now you might wonder what are some practical applications of graphs in real life. Well, that's why we, solution team engineers of Memgraph, are here for. Turns out you can use graphs in many ways in real life. For example, in a social network, you might want to find out the most important users in your network or followers to which you can adapt your marketing strategy. What about music or movie industry? You can even build user recommender systems with graphs. In finance, there are already solutions applying graph machine learning in order to detect fraud. Now, if I got you interested at least for a bit, let me tell you more about the company, team, and the position we're looking for. We're currently a startup of 25 people working fully remote with a dedicated place in Zagreb, Croatia. We are mostly Croatian, however, we have international people working for us from abroad, from Serbia, Hungary, Netherlands, UK, and so on. In order to grow furthermore, we decided that we need your help in the solutions team to help us achieve great things with our clients. So, what do we do actually in the solutions team? We're concerned day to day how to best fit Memgraph into our client's business solution. How can we solve their problems with graph algorithms in order to automate their processes, make them more time efficient, and ultimately generate more revenue? That's why we like problem solvers who are analytical and who are comfortable to work in a dynamic environment. From the technical point of view, we use mostly Python, but we're not restricted by it. It is just a matter of agreement between us and our partners which technologies are we willing to use. What about your place in Memgraph? What do you get by being employed by Memgraph? Well, I assure you, you'll make a huge impact from the beginning in our products and solutions. Since we are a startup, from the get-go, you'll get a higher degree of responsibility and ownership in the company. Your voice will be heard and your opinion will always be respected. So, I think I've said the most out of the things I wanted to say in this recruitment video. So, if you liked it, or if you want to find out more, hop on to memgraph.com/careers. Good luck and see you in Memgraph.